Hey guys, Oscar from Go Primate here, and in part 3 of the Gymnastic Rings for Beginners series, we're gonna go through how to set up gymnastic rings. And in this example, I'll be setting them up on a pull-up bar. Okay, so you grab the strap with this clipping thing facing upwards, and you grab one ring in one hand. So now you put the strap through the ring, like this, so you have everything in one hand now. You make sure this stays flat when you get it around the bar, so just like this, all the way around. And you want to make sure that it doesn't roll over like this. Instead, keep it nice and flat the whole time. You roll it up like this, and now you put it in below here. So if you can see, you put it below, and then you open up the clip and you put it up here, so it's coming from above, it's coming from below through here like that. And then you simply tighten it. So what you want to do now is you want to make sure that both the rings are on the same height. So for that, the best thing to do is to make sure that both of these straps and the rings are very close to each other. So this way you can see the height difference much clearer. And now you want to be behind or in front of the ring, so now you can see even more the difference. What I like to do is first just estimate the height, so around this. But now you want to make it as accurate as possible. So now you want to go below here and pull both the rings down. So now you can clearly see a difference. Now you can know which one needs to be lifted. So we lift this one up a little bit, pull it back again, and we lifted it too much now. So we can lower it again, just a little bit. A little bit more, up, small adjustments. And now they're pretty much exactly the same height, and that's what you want, because we don't want to by accident train one side more than the other. So for that reason, we want them to be exactly the same height, or as accurate as we can set them. So that is the best way to set up gymnastic rings, and now they look pretty nice and neat, and they can hold your weight, and you are ready to start training on your rings. If you found this video helpful, then please give the video a like, it's highly appreciated, and subscribe to the channel for more bodyweight training tips and at-home fitness tips. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.